Hello guys, today I'm going to explain the difference between a random sample and a simple random sample. I'm going to read the definitions and then go through two example problems. Alright, let's get started. A random sample. For a random sample, each member of the entire population has an equal chance of being selected. For a simple random sample, you can select groups of size n from the entire population, and every possible group has the same chance of being selected. Alright, I'm just going to skip to examples 2 and 3, because I think those are give a better visualization. Alright, for example 2, a classroom consists of 36 students seated in 6 different rows, with 6 students in each row. The instructor rolls a die to determine a row and then rolls the die again to select a particular student in the row. The process is repeated until 6 students is obtained. Does this sampling plan result in a random sample, simple random sample? Explain. I believe this results in a simple random sample only because when he selects a row by rolling the die the first time, he's going to pick the row. So basically, if he rolls a 1, that's row 1. So he's going to roll it again to select the student. So he rolls a 1 first, and he rolls a 4. Okay, and then he repeats the process over and over and over again. He's going to roll a 4, and then I just have these labeled 1 to 36 to let you guys know, but how many people or students are in the sample or the population. But basically, it's going to be labeled by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 6 for each row. But it's still the same probability. There's a 1 out of 6 probability of selecting each row, and there's a 1 out of 6 chance of selecting each student in each row. Okay, and I can pick row 4, and then once I get done selecting that student, I can pick a different row, and I'm going to tell you the difference between, there's a difference between a simple random sample and a random sample. Okay, for example 3, a classroom consists of 36 students seated in 6 rows with 6 students in each row. The instructor rolls a die to determine a row, then selects the entire row to get his sample of 6 students. Does this sampling plan result in a random sample, simple random sample, and explain? This is a random sample because when I roll the die, there's a 1 out of 6 chance still, but when I roll the die, I'm going to select a 4, for instance, for example. And when I select 4, I'm going to select all 6 students in row 4. And the difference is I can't select a student like number 8 right here in row 2, because I have to select the whole row. And that's kind of the difference between a simple random sample and a random sample, because in a simple random sample, I can select different students from each row. I can select, C36 right here. I can select 22 or 21, 31. But that's pretty much the difference. I have to select the whole row. And all right, guys. So I hope that gives you a better understanding of that. And leave comments below if you guys have any questions. All right.